Hello, second graders. This is Mrs. Cabral.
And Molly Cabral.
And Melanie Cabral.
And we are going to put on the play On the Farm and at the Market, coming to you from our social studies curriculum. And let's see if this helps you solve the mystery of the missing strawberries. Farm owner 2 and a grocery store owner meet between the Carlsbad farm and the grocery store. We didn't have a big crop of strawberries this year, but all the stores want strawberries this week. My customers want fresh strawberries. I need a big delivery. What happened? We had cold weather a little while ago. Were the strawberries ready to pick at that time? When the cold weather came, the flowers on the plants froze. They hurt the plants, so the strawberries never grew. Here come some customers to see me.
Do you have any other good strawberries? The ones in the store do not look good.
I'm sorry, those are the only strawberries we have right now.
I went to the other market. They didn't have many strawberries there at all.
Where are all the strawberry farms?
I sometimes buy strawberries from the farms that are far away. I saw a truck come into the store. Maybe it's bringing strawberries.
I hope so. Any strawberries on the truck?
No strawberries on this load.
I'm going to go to a different store to look for strawberries.
Maybe there are other farms that have strawberries. I'll call different parts of the state and ask. Hello, I was wondering if you have any strawberries for sale. We had a good harvest. The weather's just been right in our area. I could really use some of those strawberries. Let me see what I can do. Can you take a load of strawberries today?
Yes, I can. The farms near my home didn't have jobs for us this year. I worked on 3 farms last week, but I had to travel. My friend is working on the farm near his home. They have lots of work. Why are there no jobs here? Some farms do not grow strawberries this year. Some of those farms are for sale.
I might grow lettuce or spinach. I like strawberries better.
Okay, here I go.
Here comes the truck. I am so glad to see you.
You called just in time. There are a lot of people waiting for strawberries.
It's hard to get strawberries this year. Do you know why?
I heard that some of the farms do not have enough water to grow them.
I want to get more strawberries. My customers are asking me for them every day.
I have been driving a lot and my truck uses a lot of gas. Gas costs a lot. It means I have no change.
I have to charge.
I had to charge the stores for more hauling the strawberries.
That means the prices of strawberries will go up. I wonder if I should start growing strawberries in my yard. The end.